Hello everyone, welcome back. So meme coins are booming on the Solana blockchain, and with so many new tokens launching daily, it's tough to know which ones to snipe. That's where this tool that I'm about to show you in this video, that is AutoSnipe AI, steps in. This powerful tool lets AI handle your trades even when you are away and offers a copy trading feature to follow top snipers with ease. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to give you a detailed and complete tutorial on AutoSnipe AI. So if you want to get started with AutoSnipe AI, you can check out the link in the description, with the help of which you can get 10% rebate when you create your account on AutoSnipe AI. So without further delay, let's get straight into this video. First of all, as I said earlier, you need to click on the link that is given in the description if you want to save 10% on this platform as a trading fees, and then you will be landed on AutoSnipe AI. The first thing that you need to do on this platform is to simply connect your wallet with it. Now you need to make sure that the wallet that you want to connect with it is compatible with Solana. So for this video, I'm going to use my Phantom wallet. So you need to already set up your Phantom wallet. So you need to make sure of that. Now press the connect and snipe button, and then you will be able to see this type of pop-up in front of you. Now simply press the confirm button and wait for some time until it shows you this type of interface. Now once you see your profile in the top right hand corner, it simply means that you have successfully connected your wallet with AutoSnipe AI. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply deposit some Solana into your account. For that, you need to hover over to this wallet section, and then you will be landed on this deposit page. Now, the best thing that I like about AutoSnipe AI is that they have given you a lot of options for depositing Solana. First, you can deposit Solana with the traditional method, with the help of which you can copy your address from here, and from your Phantom wallet, you can send your Solana into AutoSnipe AI. The second method that they have provided is on Ramper. So with the help of this method, you can directly purchase your Solana with the help of your fiat currency. So you just have to simply select your currency over here, and then it will show you the best possible payment methods with the help of which you can purchase Solana directly. The third method that they have provided is the bridge Solana. So what this will do is, if you have any other token on any other wallets, you can connect two wallets with the help of bridge Solana option, and you can convert your other token to Solana. So this is the best thing that I like about this particular platform. Now once you have successfully deposited some Solana into your account, you just have to simply come to the home page of AutoSnipe. Now over here you will be able to see various types of options, but don't worry because I'm going to cover each and every option in this video. First we have the pump.fun pairs. So with the help of AutoSnipe you can easily trade meme coins that are based on pump.fun. So first we will take a look at pump.fun pairs. So you need to make sure that you click on pump.fun pairs option, and then it will show you all of the pair info, all of the meme coins, and give you some other information like when they are created, liquidity, initial liquidity, market cap, transactions and volume, etc. Over here you will notice that we have the hide drugs option. So if you enable this option, it will hide all of the tokens that has very less liquidity. The next option we have is instant buy. So if you enable this option, you will be able to purchase your favorite meme coin without having any problem. So the instant buy option is also very good. Next, you can filter out your favorite meme coins with the help of these filters. So based on your own trading experience, you can just put the values over here and apply the filters. Then it will show you all of the meme coins based on the filters that you have selected. If you want to make some changes with the help of the buying and selling option, like if you want to change slippage, priority fee, map protection and the other options, you can even customize with the help of the setting options that they provided you on their website. Now let's say you want to purchase this particular meme coin. So you need to select the meme coin that you want to purchase, and over here it will show you its chart. Now in the right hand section, you will be able to see the option of buy token, sell token history, where you can even buy and sell the tokens with the help of market order and limit order. If you scroll to the up, you will notice that it has also given you some of the other details relating to this token. So you can click anywhere over here in order to find more information about the token that you have selected. The best thing about AutoSnipe AI is that they have also given you this section that is called data and security, which will show you whether the token that you have selected is scam or not, or it will also show you that this particular token can do potential scam with you or not. As you can see that this token has not that badge over here, which means that this token is not in the scam list. Now let's say you want to buy token. So first, if you select the market order, you need to provide the amount in this section. You can even use these presets over here and click on the buy tokens option. Once you do this, your order will be placed and you will be able to view all of your orders in the open orders section. Let's say you want to purchase the tokens on the limit order option. So you can select the limit order, and here you just have to simply enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in that particular transaction. Afterwards, you need to provide the market cap value or at which you want to basically purchase the coin. If you don't want to enter the market cap, you can even enter the price in Solana and even the price in USDT. Next, we have the option of expiry in. So if you want to make it expire, then you can select any of the custom options that are available over here. Other than this, you can even select it as never. In the advanced settings, you can change the slippage option, you can enable or disable the map protection, and you can even use the AI optimization feature. With the help of it, the AI will always optimize your trade. So you can even use this or AI optimized option. After that, you need to tap on the buy token option and your order will be purchased with the help of the limit order. Similar is the case with the sell token. So you can tap on the sell token option and you can sell your token at market order, or you can even put the limit order. So this is how you can sell tokens on AutoSnipe AI. The next option that we have here is the AI sniper. So if you click on this option, you will be landed on this page where it will show you how you can basically activate the snipers. So first you need to select a sniper, then you need to enter your trade amount and activate the sniper. So some of the snipers are available over here, but you need to make sure the liquidity that you need to have at least, like for this one, you need to at least have 50 Solana in your account, and for this one you should have at least 10 Solana. It will also show you the risk capability, like if you select this one to snipe, it has very low risk, whereas if you select this one, it has very high risk. If you want to create sniper, then you need to tap on the create sniper option and provide your sniper a name. Afterwards, you need to just select the coin pair platform. So it will give you the option of Radium and Pump.fun. Afterwards, you need to provide the minimum liquidity of Solana here. Then you need to select the rank. So you can select or deselect the rank. After that, in the sniper security checks, so you can enable or disable these based on your own trading experience and your own risk capabilities. Once you are done, you need to press continue, and this way your new order will be created. Now over here you need to press the activate now, but before that you can even make it as AI optimized. So you need to make sure that you select the option over here so that Auto Sniper AI could do the best trade for you. Afterwards, you need to press the activate now option and your AI sniper will be activated. Now, if you want to view your activated and deactivated positions, you can watch them with the help of these tabs that are given over here. If you want to refresh the page, or if you want to refresh the snipes, you can even use this refresh feature. You can even filter it out with the help of this section where you can view all the snipers, your snipers, and public snipers. Next, we have the option of copy trading. So if you tap on the copy trading option, it will show you that you can start copy trading with the 3 simple steps. In the first step, you need to just copy the target address from any platform. Then you need to paste the target address below. Then you can set your copy trading amount and you can activate it. So it's very simple and easy thing to do. You can simply find the target address with the help of DEX Screener or any other platform of your choice. From there, you need to just copy the address and paste it over here. After that, you need to provide the amount in Solana and activate your position. If you want me to create a detailed video on copy trading with AutoSniper AI, you can also let me know in the comments. Next, we have the option of top pairs, where you can find top pairs that are based on pump.fun, and you can even trade the pairs of Radium and Moonshot. Next, we have the option of holdings. So if you tap on this option, you will be able to see all of the available coins that you have bought and sold on AutoSnipe. So basically, in your holdings, you will be able to see the history as well as the current positions of yours. So this is for the management. Next, we have the option of earning. So with the help of their referral program, you can earn up to 40% on referring their platform. And if you share your referral link with some other people, they can also get 10% trading fees rebate. So if you want to check out AutoSnipe AI, you can use my referral link that is given in the description. You can even use their API trading feature, with the help of which you can easily buy and sell tokens. Now, if we click on the biggest wins option, it will show you the list of all of your big wins. So it will also help you to track your tradings as well. Next, if you click on your profile icon and click on the trading wallet option, from here you can easily deposit and withdraw. Now, if you want to know how you can withdraw your earnings, so you need to simply select the withdraw option. Here you need to enter the amount and you need to select the priority fees. Afterwards, click on the withdraw option and wait for some time. Once your withdrawal is successful, you will receive your Solana from AutoSnipe to your Phantom wallet. In case you want to seek any help from them, you can either click on this message option and you can start messaging them directly, or you can even click on the help option and you can find various types of articles on different variety of topics that will also help you to resolve your problem. So that was it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Again, if you want to use AutoSnipe AI, you can use the link that is given in the description. Thank you so much for watching.